Yamaha prepares to launch the iconic SR650, a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. For motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide, Yamaha's classic SR series has long stood as a symbol of timeless style and reliable engineering. Now, Yamaha is set to ignite passions once again with the all-new Yamaha SR650, a machine poised to capture the soul of riders who appreciate both retro elegance and modern performance. The buzz is growing louder as Yamaha prepares to reintroduce this legendary line with a fresh twist that balances nostalgia and cutting-edge technology. The original Yamaha SR400 first roared to life in the late 1970s, capturing hearts with its air-cooled single-cylinder engine, vintage styling, and simplicity that harks back to an era when riding was all about freedom and connection to the machine. It was a nod to the classic British singles, yet it brought Yamaha's Japanese precision and dependability into the mix. Over the years, the SR400 and its larger sibling, the SR500, carved out a unique place in the market, beloved by purists who appreciated their old-school kickstart charm and minimalist design. Fast forward to today, and the Yamaha SR650 is poised to write a new chapter in this storied lineage. Leaked details hint at a larger displacement single-cylinder engine, possibly 650 cubic centimeters, that stays true to the SR spirit but with modern upgrades like fuel injection, ABS, and enhanced suspension for a smoother, safer ride. The design is expected to retain the unmistakable silhouette of its predecessors: a round headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, spoked wheels, and a classic seat. But under the timeless exterior lies a host of technological enhancements designed to meet the demands of today's riders. Combining the SR's rich heritage with new performance capabilities, Yamaha is positioning the SR650 as a retro-modern masterpiece that appeals to both seasoned enthusiasts and a new generation of riders. With its launch expected soon, the SR650 promises to reignite the love for simple, elegant motorcycles while embracing the conveniences of modern technology. Yamaha's gamble is clear: preserve the essence of a legend while adding the sophistication and reliability demanded in today's competitive motorcycle market. For the latest information, keep an eye on Mitamoto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to develop this channel together. Thank you, and see you next time.